banging noise. I just want to verify that didn't come from your aircraft, did it?
Yeah, it did. We think it was possibly a bird, Fairwings 2910.
Roger, do you require any assistance?
Stand by, Fairwings 2910.
Remain my frequency and just let me know what you need.
We are going to make a return, Fairwings 2910.
Fairwings 2910, Roger. You're cleared back to Milwaukee Municipal Airport via radar vectors. For naval, I need souls and fuel on board, please.
Got 117 souls on board and right at 23,000 pounds of fuel or 233 minutes.
Does it look like both of your engines are functioning properly, or are you having issues with one of them right now?
Both engines are functioning properly, but we felt a pretty heavy vibration and saw the bird and heard it, and just felt comfortable returning.
Okay, sounds like we're gonna roll the truck anyways, Jim, for safety's sake, just so you're aware of that.
Roger.